Here's a curb find I picked up the other day. Looked to be a nice oak table. Just got some stains on it, a little bit of paint. You can see right here, there's some paint on the edge. A few cigarette burns, and otherwise just pretty dirty. I'll try to clean it up and see what I've got. I think I've got veneer, but I'm not sure. It's really hard for me to pass up a good curb find. I had a dresser I picked up with this, and I cleaned it up and I sold it for $30 a couple days later. So I start out with a little bit of Lysol all-purpose cleaner. Actually, I'm soaking this down a little bit more than I should. Wipe it down real good. Most of the stains are coming out. Whatever was on there, the gunk, got a lot of the paint just kind of scraped right off. Must be a good finish underneath. You can see it's starting to look a little bit better. I used a little steel wool on some of those tougher stains, and they came up pretty good. I didn't notice the different levels of this top where those seams are, and I think the all-purpose cleaner made them worse, as you'll find out in a looks good now, except for there's a couple of raised areas I didn't really like, and I wanted to give a little sand to it. And you can see there's some spots, there's some blemishes. But I should have left it alone at this point and sold it as is. Oh no. This is what happens when you try to sand veneer. And apparently it was pretty thin. So I went through the veneer and found particle board. Nuts. Well, this piece just turned to junk. I'll salvage what I can from it. There is some oak on the outer boards, and I'll salvage that and call it good. So I guess I'll just salvage the legs. These are in pretty good shape. They've got threaded inserts and they've got their screws. So I'll sell them as a set. Put them on marketplace for 25, 30 bucks. Legs are expensive. As you can see, the rest of the construction was pretty much junk. So I ended up cutting this thing, throwing a lot of it away and cutting it up and burn it. Now this is the piece, the other piece that I found with it that I sold for 30 bucks in a couple days. Here's the rest of it. And here are the legs. Hard wood. Nice finish. Please share, subscribe, like the video, and hit the bell notification. Thank you.